transfer Ethereum from Binance to Binance with zero fee. So how to transfer Ethereum from Binance to Binance with zero fee? It's simple and easy. Now make sure you log into your account on Binance. Now tap on wallets. Now after that, select spot from the top bar. Now after that, tap on withdraw. Now as you can see, now here search for the Ethereum token or coin. Now tap on it after you find it. Now from here, tap on send via email, phone, ID. Now tap on it, and after that, as you can see, select anything that user that provides you, even if you have their email, their phone number, or their Binance ID. Now after you select one of these, now if you select email, just type the email here. Now type how much you want to send of the Ethereum, and now if you have any node, you can type it, it's optional. Now as you can see, make sure the fee is zero. They won't charge you anything for that. Now as you can see, if you are ready to go, now you can tap on send to be able to transfer Ethereum from Binance to Binance with zero fees. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.